Remember the concept of OKRs? Objectives and key results. A goal-setting system that's all about defining and tracking objectives and their outcomes. It's about setting ambitious goals and measurable results. It's about focus, alignment, and engagement. Now let's delve into specific, real-world examples of OKRs that product teams can use. Ever wonder how a product team might apply OKRs to development? Consider this. Objective: to deliver a top-tier mobile application. Key results could be achieve a 4-star rating in the App Store, or reduce application load time by 20%. These are clear, measurable goals that drive the team towards improvement. Next, let's consider marketing. A potential objective could be to increase product visibility and market share. Key results? Think along the lines of increase website traffic by 30%, or secure 5 major industry blog features. These are specific, achievable targets that can significantly boost a product's market presence. User experience is another critical area. An objective here could be to enhance user satisfaction and engagement. Key results might include decrease user churn rate by 15%, or increase average session duration by 10 minutes within 2 months. These goals directly target user engagement and satisfaction, crucial factors for any product's success. Lastly, let's look at performance metrics. An objective could be to optimize product performance and reliability. Key results? Perhaps decrease system downtime by 25%, or improve server response time by 30%. These are tangible, measurable targets that aim to enhance the product's reliability and performance. To sum up, OKRs are about setting ambitious, measurable goals. Whether it's development, marketing, user experience, or performance metrics, OKRs drive focus, alignment, and engagement within product teams. Remember, the objective is the what, and the key result is the how. The objective sets the direction, and the key results guide the way. From developing a top-tier mobile application and increasing product visibility, to enhancing user satisfaction and optimizing product performance. These are all examples of how OKRs can help product teams set and achieve their goals. So, keep these examples in mind and start setting your own ambitious, measurable, and outcome-driven OKRs. Because remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And in the world of product teams, that first step is setting the right OKRs.